welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts, and today what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you why a rotary tool is one of the best tools that you can have in your crafting and in your resin studio. Now, normally I use a Dremel, but I've been sent this rotary tool by Tilswall tools, and the great thing about this is it is so cheap, and it comes with everything that you really need to start with. It comes in this lovely bag that you can pack it up in. It comes with some tools. It also comes with some batteries. It comes with some polishing bits, different sizes of chuck to put your bits in as well. Comes with the spanner, some grinding bits, some drill bits, some cutting bits, little brushes for polishing. I was so impressed with what it came with and how well it works. Now, I'm not going to go through every single tool with you today because that would be a video that would take forever, because there's so many tools that come with it. And when you look at this rotary tool, it comes with a full warranty. This is what it looks like, but it also comes with the flexi shaft, which is what I use 9 out of 10 times with mine, that you can add to this, and it's really easy to add. So it's really easy to attach the shaft to it, and this is what I'm going to do. All you do is you loosen this nut by holding that in. That'll hold the screw so it doesn't move, and then loosen that up a little bit. Shake this down until that bit there protrudes. Then push that into your nut like so, and it has got a bit where you stop at. Then tighten that up. Get your little spanner like so, just to give it that a little bit of extra tightness. That's all you need to do. Then you push that in, and then you screw this onto the end, and then you've got your own little flexi shaft here, and it's actually a lot lighter than the Dremel one. It's smaller and it's lighter, and then you can put I hang mine up to one side, and you've got a little hanging hook here, and then when you turn it on, you'll see that that is turning that drill piece. And then I'm going to show you on this. Now, this is a little bit dull. I'm going to change this end to one of these polishing ends. And all you need to find in here is the one with the little screw end to it. Look, there we go. And you just use that and you screw that in. It's exactly the same as you would any of these rotary tools. And then you've got that on there. Okay, so that's in there. Make sure you take that out because it's not going to work if you don't. And then what you've got is, see, that's a little bit dull. Now, I use plastic polish, but you can use car polish or any sorts of polishes with these. It's whatever you find that works the best. And you don't need a great deal of it. Look, most of it's gone on there anyway. But this is a great way of polishing up your resin. So if you've got a dull piece and you don't want to do another cast, I don't want this on too fast. And you do have controls there with it. And don't push too hard. You don't want to be pushing too hard. You want to be polishing the surface, not trying to dig down through it. It's not a drill bit, remember. So just go over it, polish your surface up. And then all I take is a clean cloth and then wipe off all that excess polish you don't need on there. And there you go. You can really see the difference in that now. Can you see the shiny side to the dull side? And it has made such a difference. I mean, look at the difference in that. That is just amazing. It saves having to do an extra coat on something if it's come out a little bit dull and you want to polish up something. I mean, there's so much more you can do with it. But if you wanted to make pendants and things out of resin pieces don't come with a hole in, then you can drill and make your own hole. And I do that a lot. You've seen me do that a lot. I mean, you've seen me use my other tool loads of times. So I'm going to quickly show you how quickly you can do that. So make sure you've got that in there as central as possible. Turn it on. Look at that, lovely. And then I won't drill through the shiny side. Then you can drill through nice and easy. Like that. Always wear a mask when you're drilling anything with resin. Look how beautiful a hole that has drilled in there. You've also got sanding bits if you want to sand down your resin, and you can replace these. These are so cheap to buy, and you just slot them on those little drums, pop it in there, fits on lovely and tight, and then you can use that to sand with. Oh, there's just so much you can do. There's little cutters, but this is just a small sample of the pieces that you can attach to a rotary tool. tool. And again, like I said, this is just a quick video on why I use this. The most important tool, to be honest, in my resin arsenal. I love this. You've also got a guard on here, so you can attach a guard to it if you want to. You've got your little router piece here. I love this for cutting out as well. Full instructions. You want to cut metal. It's a no-brainer for me. Get it on your Christmas list as quickly as possible. Will not ever be disappointed with it. Even if it just saves your resin pieces so that you can get them nice and shiny without putting too much work in it. Thank you to Tilswall for sending this to me to try. I'm really impressed with it. I can't believe the price of it either. Please remember to subscribe and boot that like button so this video gets out there as much as possible so other people can benefit. The great price on this so that they can really enjoy the hobby. I haven't talked about health and safety much, but I do have a video on that and I will link that at the end of this video, so be sure to check that video out because it's really important and it can save you an awful lot of problems with your own health really simply. Take care. Bye.